Can you hear me? Or not? I guess you can hear me. Oh man, just load shedding. Just a flick of electricity just went and come back. I get it. Whatever. If you can hear me, just let me know that. There's another setup from 30-second chart. It should work as well. It should work as well. Okay. Again, that doesn't mean you will take this entry. Please don't take the entry. I'm just doing this for fun, to share the fun with all of you guys. That's all. Okay. So please don't take any kind of entry. What I am just outlining here, please don't take the entry. That's my request to all of you. Please, it should work. Again, very small stop loss. Bro, in this new Topstepex dashboard, could you tell us how to take partial? Yeah, absolutely, brother. You have to just right click and see this stop sell limit or buy limit. Like for example, if I take that sell for two contract, okay, so I would love to take a partial around that area. So I will just right click over there, see this limit by 1. I will put it over there. That will be the partial. Okay, so I hope that it is easier to understand. This is order block, that is order block as well. So when it is that area, so reach until the last 5 lookup, forward that one. Again, please don't take entry. As I'm outlining, please don't take entry, okay, because I don't want to get blamed because of your win or loss. If you want to take entry, take it by yourself. I mean, depending on your analysis. Please don't take entry depending on my analysis. It should work in my opinion. Now if it doesn't work, maybe I will take a loss. I'm perfectly okay with that, but I'm not okay with to take the blame. In my opinion, it should work. Now if it doesn't work, I will take a loss, but I'm okay with that. I don't want to take the blame. That's all. Okay. Now from 1 minute chart, as I told you, it came to this 15-minute last parallel gap until the constant crossman perfectly to reach over there. Now it is falling. All you have to do is you have to wait for a lower market structure shift. If you get the lower market structure shift, you will go for the trade. If you don't get the lower market structure shift, you have to wait. That's all. You have to wait for the perfect market structure shift. Now if you ask me where is the perfect market structure shift, this swing low is valid. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure, though it's not perfect, but it's valid. Okay, this low is valid for shifting market structure. And if you want to go for the best market structure shift, this low is actually the best market structure shift. On my right, this low is absolutely the best market structure shift swing low. I outlined this trade from 30-second chart. I took my entry over there. This is the last 5 lookup. I covered it by my stop loss, and I believe that this low and that low, they're relatively equal lows, so market is going to take that sell side liquidity over there. Okay, so that's my belief. If it doesn't work, I don't care. Okay, but as I'm telling you from yesterday, I'm seeing this is working. So I told you that every 15 minutes 15 minutes I'm seeing a setup. I don't know why. Maybe something is wrong with me, but still I'm seeing this 14 handle. I know it's not huge, but it's 14 handle. Okay, So it worked. Outlined beforehand, not after effect. Put my stop loss in the perfect area, so everything's perfect. Now over here in 1 minute chart, you can see you got the market structure shift around that area. So from 1 minute chart on my right, okay, all you need to wait for a perfect parallel gap over here. Let me remove this one. Just a second. Uh, guys, I'm interested to see your boom word. Okay, to be honest, I really am interested to see your boom word. Without this, I am unable to do anything. So please write down the boom. As it worked, you should write down boom. On my right here, I got the market structure shift. All I will wait for a immediate reaction. If I get the immediate reaction, I'm happy to take that entry. Where will be my target? Maybe this variable gap, this last variable gap. Or if you take more than one contract, then you can hold it until this sells a liquidity, but you have to take some partial. If it doesn't work, I don't know what to say. It should work. I don't know. If it doesn't work, then I will say that a perfect setup didn't work. I will just say that. By the way, thank you now for everyone to write down boom. Oh, by the way, don't forget to count the trade. Okay, this one I got break even. Still, it worked. 1, 2. Okay, I will wait for 3 candle. 1, 2, 3. Immediate reaction to that parabolic for 3 candle. How did I frame this trade? Market came here to that 50-minute last parabolic gap. At the same time, it is at the level of new week opening gap high. Go to your 15-minute chart and look how beautifully price trade close above the new week opening gap and failed to close above the new week opening gap. Okay, it trade the constant and cosment of the 15-minute last parallel gap, gave me very nice market structure shift over here. I just marked this one as my market structure shift, though as I told you, this low is the perfect one. Okay, until this low, this is not perfect. Sorry, not that one. Sorry, not that one, actually this one, my mistake. Yeah, so it's not perfect, but it's still this this low I can force market to show to give me the market structure shift by watching this two low as a swing low. Now I don't know exactly are they at the same level or not. Check it. Are they at the same level? I guess they are at the same level. This is not a perfect market structure shift, but still I will take a very small, sorry, my loss will be just cover the 15-minute low. This 50-minute low, I just covered the 50-minute low. If it doesn't work, I will say a perfect setup didn't work. Okay, so I got stopped out. I will say a perfect setup didn't work. I will stay over here. Now I would love to see that was my stop loss placement wrong or not. I would love to see that. That's why I will keep it over there. Should I did I need to put my stop loss little higher or not? Something like this. Should I put it over there or not? That's what I would love to see. That's why I'm keeping it this on my chart. But I'm really would love to share the fun of the 30-second chart. Okay, so the fun of 30-second chart is really so awesome for me right now. I don't know what do you say, but yeah, it's awesome for me. Hit the like button, guys. Yeah, you can. By the way, in this type of setup, where exactly you should put your stop loss above the swing high, right? Above the swing high. But for me, this low should not be trade. I mean, even if market would love trade, it can trade the 15-minute low actually. then it should reverse. That's why I just covered the 50-minute low. Let's see if I was wrong or not. I mean, if I put my stop loss above that high, wouldn't, yeah, I would get stopped out. So that was perfect for me to get stopped out. I can remove it from my chart. This is a perfect setup, not exactly perfect because this market structure shift is not a perfect market structure shift. The swing low is not perfectly valid for shifting market structure. If I force the market, I can just go for this swing low as a market structure shift. If you wait, as I told you, this is the swing low, which is actually the real swing low for shifting market structure. I would love to take a loss around that area, and I'll just cover the low of this 50-minute fair value gap. If I get stopped out, I'll just take that stopped out, because sometimes after shifting the market structure, market doesn't give me the chance. So sometimes I'll be stopped out like that way. Can I take a buy? I'm not interested to take a buy. Price is trading the new week opening gap high again. Now 91, boom, and the like button is not fun for me because I can't able to have 30-second chat. Oh, RK16, how are you, brother? What about your war? I guess there is war running around the area you were living. Oh, how about that? And how many people did you kill? I'm just kidding, brother. I'm just kidding. At my young age, I wanted to be a army man, and actually, in my country, we need the recommendation for being a army man. Now, from my family, there is no one from army, so I was unable to be a soldier. But yeah, I wanted to be a soldier. Thank you, Kiaki, for boom. I'm just gonna remove everything around that area. Just removing everything. Am I looking for buy now? No, I'm not looking for buy. Still, I'm looking for sell. But you got stopped out over here. I don't care. I just got stopped out one time. It's okay. From on mid chat. So from on mid chat, that was my first entry, and I got stopped out. What did I do wrong? I marked now. When I get stopped out, I always try to find out why I got stopped out. I marked a swing low for shifting market structure that is not valid for shifting market structure. This swing low didn't trade any fair value gap. There is no swing low on its left which is higher than that swing low. So this is not a valid swing low for shifting market structure. I forced the market to give me a market structure shift, and I got punished. Am I regret for that? Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. Now over here, I don't. The reason is I'm extremely bearish today. Market came to this 50-minute last parallel gap constant constant. Also the new week opening gap high. Everything was perfect. Market went lower. Not a perfect displacement, but that was an immediate reaction. So that immediate reaction, I'm not going to regret for marking that market structure shift swing low as my market structure shift. I'm not going to regret for that. Okay, this is how you should do. Sometimes you will get stopped out, and then you have to find out why you got stopped out, what was wrong in that setup. Sometimes when I get stopped out, I just told you that a perfect setup didn't work. Was that a perfect setup? Did I ever say that this is a perfect setup? No, I didn't say. If this low was shifted, then I would say that is a perfect setup which didn't work. The market is going higher. Let me check why it is going. I have the buy side liquidity around that area. Market, the buy side liquidity. Is it going to take that buy side liquidity? I need to check that now. Can I go for buy? Yeah, absolutely, I can go for buy. Why? The last fair value from 15-minute chart is broken. Okay, so yeah, I'm able to look for a buy setup now until this buy side liquidity. Is it good? Now it's not about good or bad. It's all about trading, right? So market when came here around 9:30, it started to go higher until 10. That can be the Judas swing until 10. So until 10 it went higher, reach in a certain level. See this 13 level. After 10 it should fall. Now it didn't fall. Instead of that it went lower, take some liquidity, started to fall, started to rise. When it started to rise and break the last parabolic from 15-minute chart, easily I can expect that market is going for that buy side liquidity. Can I take a buy now? This is a market structure shift. All I need to see where is my entry favorable gap. So if that is my market structure shift over there, all I need to see, this is the last parabolic gap, this is the entry parabolic gap. If market can come here in this parabolic gap within three candle, if it reach over here, I will take another buy around that area. So something like this. From here my stop loss will cover that candle. Here is the last parallel gap. See, I'm not interested to cover that last parallel gap, and that will be my target. But you are just changing your bias because the last parallel gap from 15 minutes had failed. Judas swing 9:30 to 10. Judas swing. After the Judas swing, market should fall. No, it didn't fall. It started to go higher. What does it mean? After taking the liquidity, market is going higher. What does it mean? That means no, market is now going higher. So I will go for that buy. Am I taking the buy from a random level? The last parabolic from 15 minute chart, 15 minute chart is broken. It went higher. So it should respect this bearish parabolic gap as a bullish parabolic gap now. Shifting market structure, first parabolic gap or the entry parabolic gap, last parabolic gap or the breakaway gap. But brother, is there any other? No, there is no other. So yeah, within three candle, if it reach over here, I'll take that entry. Why I put my stop loss over there? I just covered the high. Why should I put it? I should put it over here. Why? The reason is this 15-minute parabolic gap, constant crossment, and the last parabolic gap. Can I do it? No, I can't do it because of 21 handle. Just because of 21 handle, I can't do it. So I will put it. I'll just cover this parabolic gap. Okay. So this how I will wait three candle. One. This is the second candle. Then third candle. If within three candle price come here, I'll go for that trade. If it doesn't come, I'm not interested. Simple. No, price just went through the new week opening gap and over the new day opening gap. What do you say? Why is new day opening gap? I don't see any new day opening gap. But by the way, this buy side liquidity is going to be triggered. I believe so. The market is going to take that buy side liquidity for sure. But that doesn't mean you are going to forget this sell side liquidity. Remember, this sell side liquidity is going to be triggered today. It's gonna be triggered today. I believe so. So from 1 minute chart, first entry I got stopped out. Is that a revenge trade? No, absolutely not. It's not a revenge trade. If it was a revenge trade, it could be a revenge trade if this parabolic gap is not broken. Then it could be a revenge trade. Maybe it won't let me in this market. Maybe I will get no opportunity to take buy. But still, it's not a revenge trade. I'll be happy in that type of situation if it can reach to that buy side liquidity. I'll be happy to do that, to take to to see that. So third candle has finished. This is the third candle which has finished, so I don't see any immediate reaction. Fourth candle, worth it. Okay, it's worth it. I believe so. It's worth it. Or yeah, worth it, not worth it. No, I am not interested. Take that buy. How many trades do you take a day? Have you reduced your frequency? If you are on 30 seconds now, you would as well become an higher time frame. What did you say? How many trades do you take a day? It depends, brother. If I get something good, like over here, if you see the 30-second entry, no, I'm not taking any trade right now. I got near about $796. I just closed my trade, I mean account. I'm not interested to take any entry over here. So just a second. Whatever. So from on mid set, I didn't get any setup. Okay, I'm sorry for that, but yeah, it didn't reach to that fair value gap within 3 candles, so I'm not interested to take that entry anymore. But here in 30-second chart, this was fun, man. Really, this is really a fun. That will be my partial. That will be my first partial. Ah, I didn't understand your last part of the question. Happy trading, brother. I'm sorry for that. 100 thanks, Tito. I was thinking short there too, but on mid inversion made me change that mind and I caught the long. Congratulations, Ben Cruz. Congratulations, brother. Jack T, there is 50-minute travel gap here from yesterday. I don't see any 50-minute travel gap, brother. All the 50-minute travel gap is broken. So everything is broken now. Right now price is just trading a 50-minute travel gap that should be used as a inversion travel gap, and market should reach to that buy side liquidity. Okay, right now price is just traded a inversion 50-minute travel gap. Market should reach over there. That's why I frame the trade. Here is the 15-minute travel gap from 15-minute chart from the London session, I guess. Yeah, from the London session, I guess. I mean the same 15-minute travel gap I framed my trade from the London session, or 7 a.m. or 6 a.m. Kilson. This is that same 15-minute travel gap. By the way, this is for 30-second chart, and this is the fun part. Okay, you can see if my entry was over there until here, just 10 handle. Okay, until there is 10 handle, and until here 17 handle. I know it's small, but as you see, I actually go for the more contract because it worked perfectly for me. It is working for me. I don't know why, but it is working for me. Okay, it gave me the partial already. I got the partial. I will minimize my loss, cover this variable gap. Okay, it has traded low. I don't need to mark that on. My level is 18 to 1 4.25, almost hit. I want my boom. 18 to 1, it hit it, right? 214. Okay, it didn't. Just for one tick, I guess. This is that 50-minute travel gap low. I mean, sorry, not 50-minute actually. Hourly travel gap low. That's why I I wanted to take the partial around that area because this hourly travel gap plus travel gap can stop the price. That's why I would love to take the partial around that area and then I'll put my stop loss just below this parabolic gap. Just below this parabolic gap. I'll be happy to put it below this parabolic gap. Market should not close this parabolic gap perfectly. That should be unfilled. That's why I put my stop loss just below this parabolic gap. If I'm wrong, I'll be stopped out after taking the partial. If I'm wrong, it should not close this parabolic gap perfectly. This parabolic gap. Am I bullish? No, I'm not bullish. I'm bearish. Whenever I will get chance, I'll go for sell. Whenever I will get chance, I'll go for sell. Can buy this market, but on daily inversion fabric up. Okay, looking to sell. I'm with you. Yeah, I'm also looking to sell. Looking for sell. Now it has closed this fabric up perfectly. So if I get stopped out, I'll be stopped out after taking the partial. So there was the partial. There was stopped out. Perfect. Still, I'm profitable from 30-second chart. Start just keep counting. Okay, I told that I'm gonna interested to take the partial around that area. As I told you, okay, the 30-second chart is giving me a lot of fun. Keep mind waiting find setup. Hi brother, look like gambling. I'm not gambling, brother. As I told you, from 30-second chart, I can frame a lot of trade. Lot of trade. I just see the trade. I just see the setup. That's all, brother. And as I told you, you will just look at this 1 minute chart. Okay. Just keep an eye on this 1 minute chart. I have an eye on this 1 minute chart. If I find out any setup, I will talk about that. For example, over here, I told that if it can reach to that parabolic up within 3 candle, I will take a buy. Until that buy side liquidity, maybe I will take a partial around that area. But at the same time, it didn't give me any chance, so I didn't do anything over there. Not remove everything. Just skip the 30-second, brother. I really would love to. I mean, I would love to share the fun with you. Yesterday, I just blow my Twitter by just look how many screenshot I posted yesterday in my Twitter. How many screenshot I posted in my Twitter. All of this screenshot I put into my Twitter yesterday. All of them the setup from 30-second chart. Near about 20 setup, 4 was losing, 16 was winning, either partial or hit my target. Okay, so that's why I'm just sharing my thoughts over here in 30 seconds. Skip the 30-second part. Be content with 1 minute chart. From 1 minute chart, what do you see? Market is going to take that buy side liquidity. I'm bearish. I have this sell side liquidity. See, I am bearish and I am expecting that market will take this sell side liquidity. Now market is going higher. This is more obvious sell side liquidity. Sorry, buy side liquidity. Above this liquidity, I have the hourly last parabolic gap here. This is the hourly last parabolic gap. Okay. After taking the buy side liquidity, maybe price will trade one more time the hourly last parabolic gap, then it will fall. Maybe. Okay. This is the 15-minute parabolic gap which is broken already. I'm just waiting for that from 1 minute chart. At the same time, I'm doing fun with this 30-second chart. Is there anything wrong? If you say me not to do that, I'll stop it. But yeah, it's still fun for me. Really so fun for me. That's why I'm just doing this fun. I'm not gambling. Everything is logical. I'm not taking any illogical trade around that area. Understand, but what time frame use the you want you teach follower may confuse others change. No, I told that 15 minute and 1 minute chart. I have already told lot of time about this 15 minute and 1 minute chart. How to trade, how to frame, everything I have done already so many times. 30-second is so lovely that I can see setups all day long. Absolutely, video. I mean, twice as many trades. Hey team, was that? 30 seconds is too slow. Move to 50 seconds. Oh man, 15 seconds. That was fun. Oh man. To it seems like manipulation. I will keep them on my chart so that I can read them later. Okay, I will just put them all in the way. One. Three. Remember what did I show you? Market has taken the sell side liquidity, failed to take the lowest low. What does it mean? That means market would love to go higher. This is that type of situation. Market will take the liquidity but will fail to take the lowest low. Okay. From 1 minute chart, can you see anything? No, I don't see anything. Yet I don't see anything. So where are you from? Why, Shahil? What is the reason to ask me that question? Like the video. Thank you, Leonardo. How are you, brother? Today you have the off day, brother? No, brother, enjoy 30-second trading. Yeah, I'm just I have to sit down over there, right? I have nothing to do from 1 minute chat right now. Just look at the price action. I'm bearish, okay, but market is going for taking that buy side liquidity. I'm unable to frame a trade from 1 minute chart right now. I'm really unable to do that. If I frame a trade from 1 minute chart right now, that's called gambling. I am not interested to do the gambling right now. So what I had to do, either I have to talk about something else or I can just spend time with 30-second chart. So I'm just spending my time with 30-second chart. Well, this is a kind of situation where it's really 50-50. But yeah, I will go for that. I'll go for that. It's a 50-50 situation. So start with lowest leverage. What do you mean by lowest leverage? I have a question. I have taken 100k account from top step. Can you just me the contract says maximum 2 contract. The maximum contract size should be 2 contract. Oh man, it's a huge stop loss. But it's okay. 1 is to 1.6. Not good, but yeah, still it's okay. I will add more if it come here. If it can come here, I will add more. Is that a good, good thing to do? Yeah, absolutely, it's good thing to do. Taking some risk is nothing wrong. If it come here, I will add more. That's all I would love to say. If it fail to come here, I'll be good with maybe 2 contract, maybe 1 contract. I don't know. I'll, is there any opportunity to take partial? Absolutely, I have. If I have more than one contract, then I will take a partial around that buy side liquidity, and I will hold the rest one until the low of this hourly fair value gap. But I will just hold it until this buy side liquidity. That's the best option. From 1 minute chart, just look. There is nothing. Absolutely, there is nothing. 1 minute, we have now a valid swing low. Yeah, we have a valid swing low which is valid for shifting market structure. This swing low is valid for shifting market structure. Absolutely. I agree with you. I'm with you. Okay. Love to keep it on my chart this way. And I'm now putting it over here. Just don't say that, brother. Why did you put it over there? I just put it to look it beautiful. That's why, okay? Hey, Peter, how are you, brother? Thank you, dear. Now, no partial boom daily, right? Okay, RTS gap. Oh, that's cool. The market has taken the liquidity. This is the last parallel gap from hourly chart. I would love to see how it trade that area. Let me little put it little right. Okay. Why it didn't? Oh, okay. It didn't trade the low of that last parallel gap yet. Let him trade the last parallel gap first. Thank you. Boom. Thank you. Team. Thank you, Dio. Leon the hello. Smelly friend Peter. Okay, where is Peter? Oh, there is Peter. Hey Peter, how are you, brother? Hey George, you are there. Guys, I need more boom, okay? I can see 144 people. Do some work, man. This is not hindsight. It's not hindsight, okay? So I deserve some boom. That one was a partial. So yeah, I only love that word, boom. That's all, brother. Oh, did love you, bro. You are good, professor. Thank you so much, bro. No problem, brother. But from 1 minute chat, look over here. Still now, I didn't get anything. Over here, I had a chance to take a buy, but market didn't let me in into that buy move. Okay, market didn't let me in. I'm sorry for that. Market didn't let me in, so I have no opportunity to take buy. Here, I forced market to give me a sell setup. I stopped out because I forced market. Remember, that was a forcing market. I didn't get anything yet for 1 minute chart. I am not looking for buy for 1 minute chart. I am looking for sell for 1 minute chart. But after looking all of these things, it's really so difficult to frame a sell setup right now because though this sell side liquidity is more obvious, but it's still after this big move, really difficult to frame a sell entries or sell setup. So I will see what I can. If I find anything in 1 minute chart, I will talk about that. Right now, market is going higher. Even if I would love to make a buy setup, I have to break these two lines. See this parallel gap and that parallel gap. I have to see that market has broken both of them. Then only then I'll be able to take a buy from 1 minute chart or something. Why 30-second chart? I don't know. I will just keep showing you. Here you can see just I'm taking buy. That doesn't mean I will just take the buy. I'll be able to take the sell. There was a sell setup. I forgot that. Where was the sell setup? Yeah, there was a sell setup. Remember I covered the last travel gap here. That was the last travel gap. I covered that last travel gap. And this low, that low, they are relatively equal lows. That was my sell entry. If you forget, I don't know, but I took that sell as well. Thank you, Rain. Casey, thank you, man. Gupta, thank you, brother. Leonardo Miguel, thank you. Titu, have you managed to find on the platform the entry button? It's easy. No, I didn't. How to do that? Right, boom, or Peter will block you. Yeah, where is Peter? Peter may be left. Just write boom, otherwise. They will block you, brother. By the way, guys, at the same time, don't forget to give me a likes. 140 people are watching, and I got 40 likes. Now, today, what is your excuse? One, two, three, four, five, five ain't you already? But what is your excuse, man, today for not giving me the like? What is your excuse? Tell me your excuse. I'm gonna remove this buy sell liquidity from my chart. Well, it's look like a bullishness today. I guess I was wrong about the sell side liquidity. Market is interested to go higher. Everything was perfect until now, but now market is extremely bullish. Let me check every time frame. Okay. Just remember the low, the high of these highs, these highs are at the level of the low of that family. Just remember that one. But from our early chart, it looked like I have a very clean sell side liquidity, a very nice sell side liquidity. All I want to see this candle, this candle will close inside this two blue line. That's all I want to see. So I have 10 minutes left. Within 10 minutes, if it can close inside this two blue line, I'll be still bearish. If it close above this two blue line, I will go for the bull run. But looking at the chart right now, absolute it's look like bearish. Sell side liquidity here, sell side liquidity here, sell side liquidity here. Market came higher. It has taken all the buy side liquidity, take the sell side liquidity, retrace until this area, cleared all of this buy side liquidity. It should fall now. It all will depend how this candle will close. Let me check the 50-minute chart. The same thing from 15-minute chart. Look, this low and that low. How beautiful they are. Very clean, right? Market went higher. Now trading the last fair value gap from 15-minute chart. 15-minute chart, last fair value gap. This two blue line, remember, that is inside the hourly fair value gap. Let it close inside this two blue line. Trade the consonant crossman perfectly, and the order block. Is that order block? I can force it to be a order block. I mean, I don't need it, but at the same time, you can frame it as a order block. I will mark this fair value gap now, bullish fair value gap. I'll be very careful when market will be here, that bullish fair value gap. I'll be very careful. Okay, because this bullish fair value gap has the power to stop the price, send it back higher. This bullish fair value gap. Why it is important? It's a BPR area. See this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart and this fair value gap. They are at the same level. So this bullish fair value gap has the power to stop the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. Okay. All I want to say, the candle will close around 11 a.m. inside this two blue line. That's all I want to say. You soul. Okay, taking 100 plus handles. What do you guys like the fucking video? Okay, Mama, 300 plus handles. What do you guys like? Look like London's weekly manipulation. Mm, London. Around London, we didn't have any volatility. That volatility was around 7 a.m., 6 a.m. and 7 a.m. So after London. I mean after the London session, but yeah, still it was in London. It was in London. Can be, sister, it can be. But I will see, okay, how this 15-minute or hourly candle will close. If it close inside this two blue line, okay, the 11:10:59 candle, I will see the 10:59 candle where it close. If it close inside this two blue line, I will be still bearish. If it close above this blue line, two blue line, then I will be in a 50-50 chance. I mean, should I go for buy? Should I go for sell? Something like that. Right now, you see tick by tick market trade the constant encroachment of that hourly last parallel gap. Just trade it over there. It's very difficult to say that market is going higher. It is respecting the constant encroachment. So we have to be more careful around this area. If you wanna take buy, yeah, you can take buy. You can take the risk from here. If I want to take the buy, I don't have any buy side liquidity. That's the problem for me. Taking buy, I have all the sell side liquidity. I don't have the buy side liquidity. You have to open an order panel with the plus button on the chart window. Where is it, George? It reversed from daily fabric of CE. Okay, George, is that one order? I'll see that later. Drag it. Oh, okay. How to push the buy or sell? I'll see that later. Okay, this is the first time I'm gonna take another loss from 30-second chart, but it's okay. I would love to take that loss. 700 loss, okay? Here. From on mid chart, I have nothing. Still, I have nothing. If I had more than one contract, okay, I would take a partial on that area. If I had more than one contract, and in this type of situation, actually, I take at least two contracts, so I would take the partial below that low. I have already taken the partial. I will put my stop loss over here. just to the break even. But if I put it break even, it will show that it's already closed. That's why I'm not putting it to the break even. Okay, but I'm already in the break even. This is the entry fair value gap. I would love to see market will reach at least until this entry fair value gap. Top step background is so nice. It's cool, man. Market should reverse from this fair value gap. It should reverse from this fair value gap, not from that fair value gap, not from the upper fair value gap. From this lower fair value gap, it should reverse. It should reach to that last fair value gap. Now, at the same time, this is around 10 59. So because of the volatility, it can reach to that last. I mean, this fair value. It can reach. Okay, but in normally, I don't want to see that market will reach to this fair value gap. Let me mark that fair value gap also. I don't want to see that market will reach to this fair value gap. Because of the volatility, it can reach until there. Until now it didn't reach, but yeah, it can reach over there. Because of the volatility, it's around 11. But I really would love to see that market will reverse from this fair value gap, not from that one, from this one, specifically this one. Okay, it reached over here, so I'm gonna remove it. Remember, oh, my stop loss to the break even. If it can reach to the break even, I'll be stopped out after taking this partial. This is the 11 a.m. candle. It should be uh should be some speed. Okay, I mean some kind of speedy candle. That should be some kind of speedy candle. Either way, I mean it doesn't need to hit my target profit. It can easily hit my stop loss as well, because I just target the last fair value gap, so it can reverse. Okay, I got a stopped out. Okay, remember, I got a stopped out to the break even until here. Okay, I don't know it will come back over there or not. If it come back, then I'll be able to take it on. If it doesn't come back, then I won't be able to do that. If it come back here to the top of this hourly fair value gap. Okay, it came. My stop loss just below this hourly last fair value gap low here. 5 handle stop loss. This fair value gap should not be broken. This fair value gap should not be broken. From 1 minute chart, still I have nothing. Just look over here. There is nothing at all from 1 minute chart. If it is broken, then I will take a loss around that area. But, Is that gambling? You can say. So that's a loss. Keep it like that way. Is the 1031 candle a breaker? And 1031, 1031. So high, low, low. This high, yeah, you can say it's a breaker. You can say in the context of this fair gap is broken. I mean, this is fully closed by the body. Yeah, in that context, this highest up close body close candle, you can ask that a breaker. You can say that. Am I seeing this is a market structure shift from on mid chart? Am I seeing this is a market structure shift from on mid chart? Absolutely not. I'm seeing this is the liquidity taken. Just over here, market left this relative equal highs. So I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken, nothing else. Can it fall now? Absolutely, it can fall. You wanna take any entry over there? If you want, you can take. This is all probability. So I am not gonna take this sell right now. But yeah, still, if you wanna take a sell, if you find out any kind of take selling opportunity, you can go for that. I am not interested to take sell right now. I will wait little more, then I will take sell. All I just missed is this buy side liquidity. It left that buy side liquidity open like that way. It couldn't do that like that way. Could have at least take that buy side liquidity, then it should fall. It didn't do that. So I'm little confused about that. But it's not MSS because this swing low is not valid. This doesn't trade any parallel cap, or it doesn't have a swing low on its left and on its right, both of the side. That is why it's not valid. Am how do I see this market? Market has taken the sell side liquidity, reached to the last parallel cap from on mid chart. Now market is going higher for the buy side liquidity over there. This is how I'm seeing this market. Nice $550 on the other account. MMBM completed one mid chart. Now MMSM on play. I guess 50% of the 50-minute candle week. Look at reaction. How amazing. Go through the video on the channel, please. Thank him later. Okay. Another loss. So keep counting them. don't know why this setup doesn't work. I'm struggling to this setup for so long now. Still I didn't get the precision from that setup. I'm not done yet for the sell. I mean, for the sell, I'm not ready yet. I need more clarification. Right now, price, you can see price is just going to trade the 50-minute bullish fair value gap. Remember this bullish fair value gap, this bullish fair value gap. If it can reach until that bullish fair value gap, I'll be okay with that. See the run until that bullish fair value gap. Remember this bullish fair value gap. The two loss in a row. Am I done yet? No, I'm not done. Let me done first. Then judge me. Don't judge me. Go ahead. One yes, market didn't take the buy side liquidity. Market should go higher. Elmar Alvarez. What happened, brother? Haven't been here in a while. Why is your skin look like that, my friend? It's toughest of X, brother. That's why. Little different. Thank you, Dio, for giving him the answer. Dum 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 dum. Maybe you see this is a market structure shift. Fair value gap. Take your entry over there. This also liquid your target. As I told you, this is going to be a forcing market. The way I forced over there around that area. That is the same thing. If you want to go for that, please go for that. I have no objection for that. But really, if really market would love to fall, I have the sell side liquidity here, right? I have the sell side liquidity around that area. So if really market would love to fall, I will be able to take lot of sell, like the way I just go one after another for the buy. I will have the chance to take sell lot of time. I don't need to force the market right now. I will get more opportunity to take sell. I believe that. So I will wait. Just one thing I didn't like, and that is this liquidity left. How it has left that liquidity over there. I didn't like it. This is the 50-minute bullish fair value gap, remember? And this fair value gap is around with the BPR area. So remember, this is a very strong bullish fair value gap. Very, very, very strong bullish fair value gap. Overall, I'm bearish. And don't also forget that, okay? My sell side liquidity level is 18067.25. 18067.25. That's my sell side liquidity. All I need to confirm that market has done its upper job. Now market is going to fall. Market is trying to fall. How do I know that market is going to fall? When it is broken. ওষুধ খাইছো? When this travel gap is broken, yeah, I'm free to fall. Until this parallel gap is not broken, I'm not good. I'm not feeling comfortable to take sell until this parallel gap is not broken. If it is broken, I'll be very happy to take sell. Remember that, okay? I'm not bullish, I'm bearish, but for that I need more signature. Like over here, there was a bullish, bearish last parallel gap from 15 minutes chart when it was broken. Remember around that area when it was broken, or that area? I don't remember. I guess it was from that area. When the last parallel gap was broken, I told that now is the time to look for buy until that buy side liquidity it's taken. So same thing over here. If this parallel gap is broken, boom. If it is not broken, still now I'm seeing this market is just taking the liquidity. Just liquidity taken is happening over there. Now it came to this bullish parallel gap. Now is the time to decide. Really, it wants to go higher or it wants to go lower. This is the perfect place for deciding that. If I get higher market structure shift from one mid chart, okay, so let's look from one mid chart. If I get a higher market structure shift, let's go for buy. If I don't get a higher market structure shift, I will wait little more to break this 50-minute parallel gap first on my right. Okay. I will wait to break this 50-minute parallel gap first, then liquidity taken, buy sell liquidity taken, lower market structure shift, parallel gap, boom. Simple. If you ask me, I didn't see any setup yet, which is perfect actually from 9:30. Around 9:30, that setup I don't support it because from one minute chart it was not even a setup. Market keep going higher, then market went lower a little bit, went higher again. It was just without setup, it keep going higher. Okay, without setup. Do you think MS is on 5 minute now or still? I don't go to 5 minute chart, dear. I will only go to 5 minute chart if the 15-minute chart is not clean. If it is messy, then I will go to 5 minute chart. Otherwise, I don't need to go to 5 minute chart. Open your 15-minute chart and look at the price action. Okay, just open your 15-minute chart. Please do that for one time for me. Please just look at 15-minute chart and just tell me what do you see, what do you think about that price action. Just let me know that from 15-minute chart. If you watch this 1 minute chart, 30-second chart, lot of noise over here. Okay, so please open your 15-minute chart and tell me what do you see, what is going to happen now. Is market falling or market can reverse from there? Please let me know that from every one of you. Okay, I can see there is 122 people, just 122 people. All of you, please open your 15-minute chart or hourly chart, any of them. Okay, but 15-minute chart is the best. If you have marked every new week opening gap or last everything, if you marked it, just let me know what does it doing, why it is going lower. Hey Dolfo, how are you? It's not broken yet. I want to see that that is broken from 15-minute chart. If I'm looking for buy, this is nice parallel gap to buy, but looking for lower, waiting it to close below, and then I will look for my sell. That's cool. What I'm seeing is market just tapped to the new week opening gap high, and that's a fake breakout from the 50-minute bullish parallel gap. That's all I'm seeing. If you ask me, breaking 15-minute, okay, looks like it wants to fall. 1 hour parallel gap rejection. Okay, I'm just seeing that market went lower, tapped to the new week opening gap high, trading the 15-minute bullish parallel gap. That's a fake breakout from 1 minute chart. That's all I'm seeing. Market is in indecision mode. Where do I wanna go? Should I go higher? Should I go lower? New week opening gap high is telling me that, brother, please go higher. You don't need to fall right now. My sell side liquidity is calling me. Oh, brother, 18067.25. Come here, take me. 1 minute time frame just telling me, okay, I just make fool the all the ICT traders. They are thinking that 15-minute bullish fair value gap is now broken, but I am actually the fake breakout. I'm going higher. Every single thing, you are in two type of situation. You have 50% opportunity to fall, you have 50% opportunity to rise. What do you think? Looks like it was okay. Back to new week opening gap. Absolutely. Just tap to that new week opening gap high. Still not closed below. When it closed below, then I will frame a sell setup. Perfect decision. And so far I'm seeing this is a fake breakout. That's all. If yes, I agree. If not, then what scenario? I'm bearish from here if we form a bearish 50-minute fair value gap. Okay. When to sell now? When to sell now? What a question, brother Islam Fati. When to sell now? Oh man. Yes, I agree. Okay. Wait for perfect setup. Let's wait for that. Can I take a sell now? If you want, you can. If you want, you can. I'm not interested. As I told you, I'm just seeing that market is reversing from new week opening gap high and it's not breaking the 50-minute bullish fair value gap. It didn't break it yet. So 1 minute chart, if you look from 1 minute chart, there was a fake breakout. I agree with you. There was a fake breakout. Still, it's not broken. Market didn't take any buy side liquidity, so it didn't match any kind of rules for taking sell. I'm not interested. If you want, you can take. I'm not telling anyone not to take sell, not to take buy. I'm just explaining my observation, the way I'm seeing the market right now. Okay. It should reach entry fair value gap on 15-minute. Yeah, that is also logical. I agree with you, brother. But instead of this entry fair value gap, there is some other fair value gap that is much more stronger than the entry fair value gap and the last fair value gap, and that is new week opening gap. So a very difficult situation. 50-50 chance. Either way, price can go. If you ask me, I still now I'm thinking that market will go higher. Still now I'm thinking like that way. Market is just working with the BPR. So if you just go to your 15-minute chart and if you look at the candle from 15-minute chart, what is that candle? Wednesday, 8th of May 2024, 7:15 candle from 15-minute chart. Okay, sorry, not 7:15, 7 candle, 7 candle. Wednesday, 8th of May. The 7 candle has made a parallel gap, which has made the BPR range around that area. So market is just working with that BPR. I'm seeing this like that way. Up now, it's confirmed. John Lopes. Okay. Still, I'm not sure what is it going to do. Nothing at all. Look where price came right now at the 50%, an area where I don't know where it is going. And look what market is doing. Market is just consolidating. Why? Because he is also confused where it wants to go. Let him first decide where it wants to go. The way it will start to go, that is going to be my direction from here. Why from here? Because this is a bullish fair value gap. I told you the BPR area as well. It's a perfect level or perfect place to determine where market will go now. Is it going higher or is it going lower? I'm going long now. Till now, I don't see any setup for taking long, not even from 30-second chart. Nothing at all. Lopes, go for it. Miguel. Oh man. I know you don't use 4-hour chart, but it looks like a 4-hour PO3 to me, looking for expansion lower now. Let me check you, brother. No problem. I can go over there. I don't like it, but that doesn't mean I can't go over there. Absolutely, I can go over there. Okay. So open manipulation. Now shoot distribution. Hmm, what to say? I don't know, brother, what to say. I am seeing something else from hourly chart. 4-hour chart, sorry. I'm seeing this. Okay, from 4-hour chart, I'm just seeing this. See this fair value gap? Tap to this fair value gap. Look at the bodies. Sorry, look at the bodies. Just refused to close inside this fair value gap. Okay, just I'm not telling you that, brother, you were wrong. I'm just seeing this thing. Okay, so I don't know how to recognize that. By the way, I'm bearish. Okay, I'm not agree. I'm not getting agree with you guys for taking sell right now. That doesn't mean I'm not I'm against you. I'm bearish. Remember, this is my sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity. Sell side liquidity. All of this sell side liquidity was my target. I would love to take sell, but this is not the level where I should look for sell. I hope you'll understand. I'm not against all of you guys, whoever is thinking about sell. I'm not against you, but still I don't have any opportunity to take sell right now. I have to wait for market. Let me know what do you see? What is this? Not even 30-second chart is giving me anything. Just pure consolidation. So yeah, we will see. Okay, and the reaction from new week opening gap high is disaster. Market is working inside this fair gap. Look, inside this bullish fair. After 3 minutes, this 15-minute candle is going to close. Still, price is inside this 15-minute fair gap from 15-minute chart. Can you make 50 likes, brother, for me, please? Maybe we chop around here until tomorrow. No red news today. We have a news around 1, I guess. Now, look over here. This is the perfect time. It has taken either this is the taking buy side liquidity. If it wants to fall, this is the place where it should fall now. That means I want to see a displacement now. It has taken the buy side liquidity. Okay. Now, I don't know it has taken this buy side liquidity. Is it buy side liquidity taken or not? I don't know. But if really market would love to go lower, now it should boom displacement. Keep going lower. It has to keep going lower until the market structure shift. It should keep going lower. This is how I determine where market is now going. I'm going to remove this 4-hour chart from my chart. Sorry for that. Okay, this is how I actually determine. For example, I'm looking for sell, right? Though I'm not sure where market is going. It can go higher as well because this is a bullish variable gap that has the power to stop the price, send it back. Absolutely, it has the power. Where did it go? Take the all buy sell liquidity. It should fall now. If it failed to fall now, I'm not gonna touch it. Can I take buy? Absolutely not. Why? Market didn't take the sell side liquidity. It made sell side liquidity, but it didn't take the sell side liquidity. So I'm not interested to take sell. Sorry, buy. But if it give me the lower market structure shape, oh man, then I'm cool. I'm watching the 15-minute candle, brother. No, brother, I'm long. Go for that, man. I believe lunch macro will move well. That is time distortion until lunch macro. Let's see. yeah, I will go for that. Even if it is a loss, I will go for that. Sorry, guys, but if it takes a loss, I will take that. If I get the loss over there, I will just move to for sell. If it hit my stop loss, I'll just move to sell. No more buy. Okay? But yeah, I'll go for that, even if it's a loss. If you see SM in 1 hour, 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 1 minute, and then oh my god, it's like I can't explain it. Sometimes it's so fun, man. Absolutely, it's so fun. I should have covered this low actually, but it's gonna be a huge loss. So I will be able. I'll just take 900 loss. I mean, this low, I just covered that low, the lowest low. I just covered that one. If it doesn't work, I'm perfectly okay. Now my stop loss will be here, okay? So let me put line on that area. So I minimized my loss. That's my stop loss on that area. I have targeted, see this fair value gap. That fair value gap is my target. I don't have any buy side liquidity. I am unable to. What happened? Why it's look like that? I don't know. I mean, what happened to 30 seconds? I don't know. Whatever. I guess there is something wrong with this 30-second chart. It shows it is doing sometimes this type of things. I mean, it doesn't show me the lines or something like that. I don't know why, but yeah. This is the order block from 1 minute chart and from 30-second chart. From both of the level, this is the order block, okay? But you to change your direction. I didn't change my direction. I didn't say anything. I just told that This is the last fair value gap, I mean sorry, bullish fair value gap that has the power to stop the price, send it back for the buy side liquidity. That's all I told. Now when I saw this from 1 minute chart, I got a market structure shift and a fair value gap over there. So I would love to take this buy. If it doesn't work, immediately I will switch and I will go for sell immediately. Okay, this is the place where it's 50-50. As I told, this is absolutely 50-50. Okay, so either way it can work. So I will take this is the game of probability. So this game is actually the probable game. I have to take every opportunity. I didn't change my bias or I didn't change anything. I'm just reacting with the market. Remember this line is my stop loss. Okay, so if I get stopped out, if this line touch, I will be stopped out. But this 50-minute candle close, it's so important. Okay, I've seen the close of 50-minute candle. It now there is a bearish fair value gap from 15-minute chart. Even if market would love to fall, it should reach until that bearish fair value gap. So I'm just expecting that market will reach until the bearish fair value gap at least. I'm expecting that. Just go to your 50-minute chart and mark the bearish fair value gap from 50-minute chart. I'm expecting that market will reach at least until that bearish 50-minute bearish fair value gap. So here I know my expectation is little higher, but for the entry I should have expect little high expectation, right? I should have expect that. And now from 30-second chart, it's messy. Still I don't see anything from 30-second chart. Absolutely messy price action. So yeah, except forcing the market, I have no opportunity to do anything. So I just put my stop loss for, you can see, just for 5 handle. Do you think it's huge? No man, it's not huge. Okay, I got stopped out. I got stopped out over there. I will keep it, but because I want to see that did I wrong. I mean I always do that. Okay, did I actually move my stop loss too fast because of my trailing stop loss? Did I regret or not? That's why I will keep it. Okay, remember that was my height. I mean that was my target. Reach me over there. I am new to trading. I want to know what are you trading in this E-mini? What symbol is this? It's E-mini Nasdaq, brother. E-mini Nasdaq. You can see on my left Nasdaq. That is called Nasdaq. Okay. T2 50 me 50% was the stop loss, right? Yeah, absolutely, brother. New 50-minute dust, there also constant crossment. I saw it. That is why I'm just watching. Can it reach until that area or not? Or is it really would love to go lower? As I told you, if it go below this lows or something like that, I will immediately change my direction and I will go for sell. So I don't want to see that. Right now it's a 50-50 chance market is consolidating, just pure consolidation, nothing else except the consolidation. So this price action take my all stops, huh? Yeah, absolutely, that's the best price action, you can say. This is the best price action. I mean, funny consolidation. Because market is in decision mode. See this parallel cap, it is extremely important. Try to understand why this one is important. This is the only bullish parallel cap which is aligned with the BPR. Okay, a 7 a.m. candle from 8th of May. It is aligned with that BPR. Price failed to break this BPR, so it is unable to go lower. Now it is unable to go higher as well. Why? I don't have any buy side liquidity, but I have this clean buy side liquidity from on mid chart, right here. Clean buy side liquidity. No man, buy side liquidity should be marked from 15-minute chart, at least from 15-minute chart, not from on mid chart. So that is why market is in indecision mode, where I want to go for high, for long. I don't know. Based on structure. What did you say? I'm not ICT trader, simple price action trader. Oh, okay. Just hit a winner on the 10-second chart. I want a boom. Okay. Market is consolidated exactly in 5-minute travel gap. Why I need that 5-minute travel gap? I can say it is consolidating inside this 50-minute travel gap. I don't need to go 5 minutes yet, brother. It is consolidating inside this 15 travel gap. It's enough for me. This travel gap is valid to take re-entry until this low is not taken. Sorry, not this low. Sorry, this low. Until this low is not taken, this travel gap is valid for taking re-entry. This travel gap, okay? Until this, sorry, this low is not taken, because this is the origin of that low. So until it's not taken, this is valid. Mm. It's a 800 stop loss. Okay, let it go with 800. I'll count. Okay, at the end of the stream, I will count how many losses I have taken and how many handle I have taken losses. This should be taken. This can be taken. If it taken, can make the relatively equal loss. Yeah, it can do that. I'm in a very nice consolidation mode. Inside the consolidation mode, my stop loss should be a little bigger, but I'm not interested to do that. I will just keep it with 800. Cool. So liquidity has taken to take spent higher. Okay, That was so fast. Where do you want to go? High or low? Sister, we can look for the sell. Absolutely, we can look for the sell. The only thing is this parallel gap has to be broken. That's the only thing. Until this is not broken, I can't go for sell. Just how can I show you? Just open your 15-minute chart. Look at the 15-minute chart. It is trading new week opening gap high. Okay. At the same time, it is inside this 50-minute fair value gap. No way to trade inside this 50-minute fair value gap. Let him go. Let the price first decide where it wants to go. It will be very clean over there. When it will leave this fair value gap, just this fair value gap, just remember this fair value gap. When it will leave this fair value gap, you will get lot of better opportunity to take entries. Just let price left this fair value gap. That's all I want to see. To left this fair value gap. That's all. Without leaving this fair value gap, you will see this. Look, I am in indecision mode, right? When price was over here, I was in indecision mode. Where market can go? Is it going higher or is it going lower? I didn't know that. Did market know that? No. Market also didn't know that where it wants to go. That's why it was consolidating. It tried high. It's trying lower. Now market went lower. Take that low. Is it now going to decide where surely where it wants to go? Look over here. At that. Is that market structure shift? Do you think? I don't think so. Let him first leave this parabolic gap. When it will leave this parabolic gap, I will fly. Should fall now. Jonathan. Now I will say I am now confident. Just look, take sell over here. I don't need to see anything else. I am now confident to take a sell over here now. Why? It left this parabolic gap, right? So I'm gonna put it over here. So this parabolic, that candle, and going to put it over there. Now I'm confident to push my button. Still, maybe I'll be stopped out around this area because it's very near for the macro time or something. But I'm not taking this entry, okay? I'm not taking this entry just to show you that I am now confident to push my button over here, go for sell. Why? Because market left that area from 15-minute chart. Just go look from the 15-minute chart. It closed below this 50-minute parabolic. What does it mean? That means it has showing me the opportunity to go for sell. So I will push my button whenever I will get the chance. Push my button over here. See, this candle low has shifted over there from 30-second chart. I mean, I'm sorry for 30-second chart. I'm just talking about the 30-second chart. Shifted. I will push my button over there. When it just go below this low, I don't need to see any fair value gap. I don't need to see any kind of nothing at all. I will just cover that swing high. I will hold my trade until maybe this low or maybe that low or maybe until this low. I will keep taking partial or something like that. I will just doing that. I'm not pushing my button over here. Again, I'm just telling you that I'm not interested to push my button over there. But that is all my expectation. That's all I was thinking. If this parabolic gap is broken, now market has decided, okay, now I'm going to fall. I don't need to go up. I can fall now because I'm broken this parallel gap already. That's why from 15-minute chart. Is this a good price action? Absolutely not. Wait for the good price action. When you will get a good price action, you will be able to take so many entries. Wait for the good price action. I'm also waiting for the good price action. 30-minute parallel is still holding. I don't look 30-minute parallel, brother. I'm just curious about the new week opening gap high because it's not broken yet. That's the only thing I'm now worrying about. Except the new week opening gap high, everything was perfect. You have to wait for a perfect price action right now. Now you are confirmed that market is falling. You are confirmed, okay? So if you get a sell setup now, like some kind of lower market structure shift, something like that, go for that. If it wants to go higher, are you going to take buy? No, you can't take the buy because market is below this bullish parallel gap. You can't take the buy. If you want to take the buy, you have to wait until this bullish parallel gap is broken to the upper part. When it is broken to the lower part, you should look for sell only, not buy. I am not using fib retracement right now. I'm just waiting. Yeah, I use the fib retracement, No, not fib retracement, it's extension. I use the fib extension. You need to wait for the parallel gap get broken, right? To try a sell, do we need to wait for 50-minute candle close just below to confirm? Actually, not 15-minute. It's actually the 1 minute. 1 minute candle. This is all the fake breakout. This is all the confirmation of that. This is not fake breakout. Is actually this 50-minute parallel gap is broken. Fake breakout confirmation. Okay. So if you look for the 15-minute parallel gap, you will look for 1 minute chart. Over here, this 50-minute parallel gap is not only the factor. As I told you, go to 8th of May. Let me check it one more time. 8th of May, 7 a.m. parallel gap. That's the BPR. So that parallel gap is also important, but it has already confirmed that it's broken. I mean, this bullish parallel gap is broken. Now I'm going to fall. It has already confirmed that by that candle, simply that candle. That was the fake breakout. One candle closed later. It confirmed that I'm broken. All you have to do is you have to wait for a nice market structure shift, parallel gap, go for that sell. That's all you have to wait. Is that clean price action? Yet not. Not yet. This look like bullish now. It's kind of both of the situation. It's confirmed that market is going to fall. Still, it is respecting the new week opening gap high. So it's kind of two type of situation. All I need to see, this parallel gap should be broken. It has already confirmed that I'm going to broke. All I need a lower market structure shift. That's all I need. If I get a lower market structure, for example, from 30-second chart, if I get a displacement below that low, I will take the sell from 30-second chart. From 1 minute chart, if I get a lower market structure shift below that low, I will go for sell with confidence that market is going to work. I mean, my sell is going to work. If I don't get it, no trade. By the way, no entry is valid around the lunch hour, so keep that in your mind. No entry is valid after the lunch hour. So you can look for a trade until 12:10, but no entry is valid after 12:10. Just need another down close candle which will shift the market. If really I would love to take a sell, I need another down close candle that will shift the market. And I will say this is going to be a perfect setup. Even if it doesn't work, I don't care. That's the sell I will take for anyhow, by anyhow, if I get that one, that opportunity. Okay, I mean, if the market, then no, I didn't get it. The reversal came from VWAP. Okay, retail can be. Will you back for the PM session, bro? No, I am not going to back. Come back. This is just pure consolidation, brother. I mean, nobody can do anything around this type of situation. Nobody, no, not even a single one can do something from this consolidation area. It should be avoided. I need a displacement. Displacement, little more, little more, little more, little more, little more. Shows me the sign that okay, just look how it is closing, right? Is it displacement? No, absolutely not. It's not clean. Doesn't want to give me the market stuff. Now I can force the market. I can force the market over here. How? Maybe this candle will close below this low. Okay, and now it's not the example. Sorry, not the example. Here I'm unable to. Here I can put the buyer and there. This is the entry I would love to take. I don't care if it doesn't work or not. I really don't care, but I will take that entry. Here, one thing I would love to claim beforehand, that is, I force the market over here. Why I force the market? Why sometimes I'll wait for the fair value gap, sometimes I don't wait for the fair value gap. Now here I should have wait for the fair value gap. Why? The reason is, look at this displacement. It's not a nice displacement. See this candle, the very next candle, if it shifted the market, I didn't need to wait for the fair value gap. I can easily get my sell setup from shifting market structure. I just can take the entry. How it shifted? Just look over here. Is that a nice displacement? What do you think? No, absolutely not. When it's not a nice displacement, you should have wait for the fair value gap. This is how sometimes I force the market, sometimes I don't. But here, yeah, I will take that entry. To be honest, I will take that entry. Even if it stop me out, I will take this entry. But if you ask me what should I do, I should have wait for the fair value gap over here. That's the absolute thing. I have to wait for the fair value gap because of this displacement, this market structure shift. I should have wait for the market structure, so the for the fair value gap. Okay, I should have wait. But yeah, I would take that entry from 30-second chart. From 1 minute chart, nothing. Look over here, nothing at all from 1 minute chart. Why I put my stop loss over there? I could put my stop loss over here, right? Around that area. I could put my stop loss over there. Why I put my stop loss above that swing high? The reason is, let me explain the reason as well. See this volume balance over here around that area. This volume balance and the 15-minute bullish fair value gap low are at the same level. That means market should not go above this line, this area. If it go above this area, even if my stop loss is over there, that is going to be attacked. So what I have done here, it's like 9 handle. So I put my stop loss over there. I minimized 3 handle. Just I minimized 3 handle. Look over here. Even if it was a perfect entry, even if that was a perfect entry, my stop loss would be there. The reason is market should not go through this fair value gap or the low of this fair value gap. If it go through this two area, it is going to take that high. Can it take that high? I don't know about that. Can I put it over here? If you want, you can put 12 handle. I'm not interested in this consolidation mode. I'm not interested to put for that. I will put it over here, which should not be traded. If it is traded, then I'll be happy because I already saved three handle. Three handle I have saved. I'm happy for that. This is also logical. By the way, I would take that entry. That's for sure. This I didn't do anything over here, but this entry I would take. By anyhow, I would take that entry. This entry I would take. That entry I would take. This one I don't take because this is kind of experimental entry. You see this fair value gap? This fair value gap over here. I outlined that one. This fair value gap. So this is experimental entry. I don't know. Still, I don't know how to work with this one. I would take every single entry except 1, 2, 3. These three entry. This entry I wouldn't take because that's experimental entry. This two entry I wouldn't take because it was inside this fair value gap. This entry I would love to take that entry. When I got stopped out over here, I don't care. I would take re-entry when market just came trade this order block. See this order block, I would take re-entry over there, and my stop loss would be just above there, something like that. Maybe two loss in a row. Still, I would take. Sorry, not over there. Just covered 50% of that entry. So these two, maybe it's gonna be a loss as well. But yeah, I would take these two entry for to my live account for sure. That's for sure. Yeah, two entry, two loss. These two loss I would take. This three entry I wouldn't take. That's for sure. And until now, until this fair value gap is not leaving, price is not leaving this fair value gap, market will keep consolidating. If you want to be stopped out, or if you wanna stay out of this consolidation, you have to wait until market leave this area. When market leave this area, you will see a better price action. Until then, you will be chopped up. It will keep doing this. Sometimes it will show that it's going higher, sometimes it will show that it will keep going lower. Nothing to do for that. And yeah, so that's all. This one was break even, so I'm gonna remove it because that was break even. Okay, that was the profit. So 21 handle, just remember 21 handle, 14 handle, that means 35 handle, 35 handle and 11 handle. So 35, 46 handle, 46 and 9, 59, no, 55 handle, 55 handle and 9 handle. So 55, 64 handle. So for I had 64 handle profit and loss. 6 handle, 5 handle, 11 handle. 11 and 5, 16. 16 and 8, 24. And this two, 22, 24 and 36. So for 36 handle loss, in this loss 1 to 3, that means 3, 18 handle I wouldn't take. So 36 handle loss and 65 handle profit so far. Not bad. Not bad. At the end of the day, maybe it's gonna be like $1,000 or maybe $700, $800, something like that. It's okay. Just let this travel gap go, and then those are not real trade, brother. I have done my real trade over here. Let me show you. That was my trade. Yeah, just if you are with me in my Twitter, that was the real trade, brother. Okay, not only that one, they upload that one. Yeah, that is another one. That was just 8 hours ago. Okay, so I just uploaded guest two. Yeah, I just uploaded two today. The real trade. Okay, that both of them are real trade. And outlining trade I have done lot yesterday and today. If I was in Twitter, if I am not in my live here, then I would sit still until this travel gap is broken. Then I would frame this loss entry. To be honest, brother, I would frame that loss entry. I don't know you believe me or not. I would frame that loss entry only, and then I would keep stay still until the next move, because market has to leave the area. It has to tell me where it wants to go. Right now, market is not in no man's land. So in this type of situation, yeah, but already market has told me that I'm going to fall. I believe that market is falling now. Still, it has to leave this level first. Mukham, those are not real. Okay, I gave you the answer. Price seems go up to the 50-minute CV. It can, brother. No problem for that. I guess you were a little late. After 1 hour news, 10 bond auction, I don't care. Geosol, I talked about this in my weekly analysis video. I told that bond auction, I don't get any volatility, so that news I don't count as a news. Okay. Hey, JT Capital. So guys, it's not bad yet. I mean, near about 70 handle win and 35 handle loss. And between this 35 handle, remember 18 handle I wouldn't ever take. So 70 handle win and 35 handle loss, 1:2. Still good, right? And yesterday I outlined 20 trades. Out of 20, 16 was winning, 4 was losing. Whole day I just did in my Twitter. Okay, I know everyone got upset on me because I have just keep uploading the setup, keep uploading setup, and finally when the last setup actually. Yeah, that was the last setup. Inside this setup was the setup. Okay, inside this setup that was the last setup. But yeah, it's fun. Let me go now because it's now the lunch hour. I have nothing to do here. Yes, sometimes market take liquidity on those bond news. Okay. So Tito, is there an open 50-minute travel gap? I think that one is already closed. Uh, which one is already closed? Oh, which one you were talking about, brother? Sujit, which one you were talking about, brother? Which 50-minute travel gap, brother? Thanks, no problem. I want to see market wizard today. Jerry, I'm just done for today. I told you that I'm not going to disturb you in my Twitter. Not anymore. Not for today, okay? I will disturb you tomorrow. Not today. Okay, by the way, what I was talking about, see this BPR, this fair value gap. Not only this fair value gap, but also this BPR is highly important for me. Highly important for me. Extremely important. Look over here. 7 a.m. 8th of May. Not hindsight. I talked about this when market was over there. When market was over here, I talked about this fair value gap. I told you that this is highly a strong bullish fair value gap only because of this BPR area. So it has the power to stop the price, send it back for the buy side. If this is broken, now you can easily look for this sell side liquidity. That perfect sell side liquidity can be taken, but for that it has to be broken first. Now lunch hour, if market can make some buy side liquidity around the lunch hour, okay, this is the way. See all of these things around lunch hour, if market make buy side liquidity, then before 1 or maybe around the 1250 macro, if market take the buy side liquidity, remember that clearly. Let me mark it. See this. Okay. Then finally market will take the buy side liquidity, went the low below the lowest low. If market can go below the lowest low, this sell side liquidity is going to be triggered. I don't need to take this sell side liquidity, at least it will reach until this last fair value gap. So how much handle it will be? 37 handle. You will be able to catch that 30 handle. If this thing happen, that means around lunch hour market has to make the buy side liquidity, and then it has to take the buy side liquidity, not the sell side liquidity. If you see it's making the sell side liquidity, market is working with here for the sell side liquidity. It's not a good sign. Why this is the theme? Because today is Wednesday. Wednesday's price action is like this. Now here market has taken the liquidity, went lower, right? Now this is the lunch hour. Market will make the buy side liquidity. Okay, lunch hour. Around lunch and at the end of the lunch hour or around the PM session, market will take the buy side liquidity. Every single one will think market is going higher. Boom. This is how the Wednesday and Thursday work. Okay, the one you have highlighted there, okay, that was already closed. I mean it's closed, yet I'm not sure 100% it's closed, because that can be the fake breakout. And if it is not fake breakout from 50 minutes, I believe that it's already broken, so market should keep going lower. I love to see market will fall for that sell side liquidity. That's all my expectation right now, that it will go for that sell side liquidity. But even if it fails to reach over here, it should reach at least until this last fair value gap. Okay, so here is the bearish fair value gap that should be used as the breakaway gap. If market really would love to reach here, it should be used as a breakaway gap. If market doesn't want to reach for the sell side liquidity, it can trade that bearish fair value gap. It is not going to used as a breakaway gap. Why it should expect as a breakaway gap? Because market went higher, trade this fair value gap, also this fair value gap, right? Two bearish fair value gap has already been traded. One fair value gap should be left open like that way. Looks like Buse just did an even intervention that didn't work. Keep an eye on used in CPY. Films, I don't know, brother. You are maybe new to my channel. Okay, no problem. Oh, that highlighted area in your chart is BPR. Right now, I just highlighted the BPR area. This is the BPR area. But there was the fair value gap as well. Comes. What happened, Ali? Sell side last fair value gap triggered, bro. Sell side last fair value gap triggered, bro. Trigger, bro. I don't understand. I didn't understand, JD, your question. We love you to boom. I love you, brother. Anybody to subscribe to my channel? 5622 and 5631. So I got 9 people. Welcome to my channel, all of 9 people, but you have to keep coming. Otherwise, I'm not good. I mean, this week I'm just taking fun. I'll be back in my trading view next week, I believe. Right now, I'm just taking fun with the 30-second chart. It's still consolidating. Otherwise, if it was not consolidating, I will keep framing the trade. it has just started to consolidate, so I am unable to frame the trade right now. I have to wait. Okay, I did a mistake. I should have come 5 seconds chart. I have done a mistake. Oh man. Oh man. Seriously? I'm sorry, guys. I know it's all hindsight, but let me show you something. Let's chat next week. I would love to show you something, okay? Just give me some time. This is the bullish 50-minute fair gap, so I'm expecting market will go higher, right? Now, do I have any buy side liquidity? I don't have any buy side liquidity. Then market came here, made this buy side liquidity. Let me mark it. This is clean buy side liquidity from 5 second chart. Buy side liquidity. At the same time, I have this sell side liquidity over here. This low and that low that are relatively equal lows. Sell side liquidity, right? Now market is consolidating. Finally, it has made the buy side liquidity. It went lower. Take those sell side liquidity. Gave me market structure shift without any setup. Market went higher. I missed it. What I'm seeing, this buy side liquidity has now the stronger buy side liquidity. Now it is the stronger buy side liquidity. Did it take the buy side liquidity? No. So I'm not framing any sell setup. No sell setup. Market went higher one more time. Any setup? No. Nothing. Here nothing. Here nothing. Here nothing. Here nothing. Do I see anything? No. Then finally market went lower. Take this sell side liquidity. What I left? Strongest buy side liquidity. See, I left strongest buy side liquidity. After taking the sell side liquidity, this is the first time market has taken the liquidity. Take it in market structure shift? No. Market went lower. Take the sell side liquidity one more time. Market structure shift? No. Went lower one more time. Any market structure shift? No. Went higher. Went little lower. Boom. Did I get market structure shift? I got the market structure shift over there. Is there any fair value gap? Fair value gap. Can I take a buy? I can take a buy. This is my target now. If I target over here, maybe you can say, brother, it didn't hit your target. Now here is the part. What do you see? In partial 7 handle. Did it take the liquidity? Buy side liquidity? No. Did it take the sell side liquidity? Absolutely. Market went lower. Just it went lower. Take this relatively equal lows. Give me the market structure shift. Market structure shift. Volume balance, fair value gap, whatever you say. Take the buy. Hold the stop loss below that low until there. Partial. See this relatively equal highs? Partial. Take the partial. Get stopped out to the break even. Market went lower. Take the liquidity, sell side liquidity. Did it take the buy side liquidity? No. Take the sell side liquidity. Market structure shift. Fair value gap entry. Is there any opportunity to take entry? No. Okay. But what do you see now over here around that area? I'm just showing you, okay, the confluences over there. Just let me mark it as my buy side liquidity. Okay, just all of this buy side liquidity at the same area. So I'm just gonna mark it. Market went lower. Where did it go? Took all of this liquidity. All of this liquidity has taken. What else do you have? Why you are keep looking buy? Why you keep looking buy? See this buy side liquidity? Clean highs, make it more stronger. Came here. Market structure shift. Did I get any opportunity to take buy? No, I didn't get it. I'm sorry. I thought that I will find a buy setup over there, but there was no buy setup. But I mean, just this candle could tap anywhere in the fair value gap, I will be able to take another buy over there. Maybe I will just just for showing you, okay, I'm not taking this one. See, until this buy side liquidity over there, I will take the partial around that area. This high, that high, see this one. I took this entry, make this relatively equal highs, take that relatively equal highs. So I will take the partial around that area, hold it to the consequent, I mean break even, until if it hit my target, no problem. If it doesn't, then I will hold it until the buy side liquidity over there. This is from 5 second chart. Until this buy side liquidity is not taken, I will keep looking for buy. Every single time market will go lower, I will let it go. Then I will frame the buy setup, low buy setup every single time. Just from here, liquidity taken, buy side liquidity left. From here, I will start to look for buy. Every single time market will fall, I will look for buy. Just look. This is the first opportunity to take buy. Second opportunity to take buy. Market went lower. Third opportunity to take buy. Was there any setup? No. So I just missed it. Went lower, lower. Wait to see for liquidity again. This liquidity or all of this liquidity has taken over here. Here I will force. That's for sure. I will force the market, or maybe after shifting the market structure, I will take at least 2 contracts over there, because of 4 handle. I don't care. I will take at least, I will take 1 contract around that area as well. At least 1 or 2 contract I will take entry. Until this buy side liquidity is not taken, I will keep looking for buy, keep looking for buy, and my extreme target will be here. Every single time I'll look for that area. And yeah, so this is 5 second chat. I'm sorry for that. I don't want to waste your time, brother. I'm extremely sorry. But yeah, still it's hindsight. Here, even if this is hindsight, I would love to outline one trade here. Just 4 handle. No, put it over here. Okay, just 5 handle. Let it be 5 handle. If you get stopped out, you are going to get stopped out for 5 handle. See this sell side liquidity? They are so clean sell side liquidity. When you can put a stop loss to the break even. If market can go below that low, you will take a partial. You will put a stop loss to the break even. Simple. If it doesn't, either hit your stop loss or hit your target profit. Just let me stay a little more time, then I will close my stream. Okay. Market structure shift. No need fair value gap trading. Nothing. It has taken the clean buy side liquidity, right? That line, remember? Clean buy side liquidity from 5 second chart. Has taken that. Nice order block. So from you took your partial, okay? You have taken your partial, so your stop loss is now to the break even. I'm keeping it over here. Don't think that my stop loss is over there. My stop loss is at the break even. Why here? This clean lows and the fair value gap. Your target is this clean lows. See these 2 lows? That is your clean lows. That is a perfect order block. It should not be broken. The mean threshold of that order block should not be broken. Now you are in risk free in the break even. You got some profit over there. So it's kind of 8 handle. Not bad. Maybe you took 3 contract. how much is going to be your stop? It's gonna be, even if you take five contract, so $200, 250. That is my target. Okay, this relatively call lows is my target. This low, not that one. So I'm gonna remove it. It left this parallel gap open like that. It was very near to your sales liquidity. Maybe, okay, we'll see. Maybe I will put my stop loss over here, so I will cover little more profit. That's my stop loss, not the break even. I will put it over there. Should not reach over here. This fair gap should not be traded. Constant encroachment of the 50-minute bullish sorry, BPR is holding the price. Okay, no problem. I got profit, so I'm happy. I got partial, so I'm happy. This clean low should be taken, but if it fails, okay, I'll be happy, right? You should be happy. Okay, it has traded that travel gap. I didn't want to see that. It has traded that travel gap. Maybe I'll be stopped out over here, so I'll cover a little more profit over there until that area. So 11 handle overall. All that fun, man. Not sure there was a message there, brother. It just built more relative equal lows. Okay, what you were talking about, I don't remember. Just remember, when market will take this sell side liquidity, I will look for another buy. Remember this buy side liquidity, market didn't take that buy side liquidity yet. Market should have taken that buy side liquidity. I will look for another buy. Simple thing. After taking this sell side liquidity, if I get any opportunity, I'll look for buy. I outlined this trade only to show you that, brother, I really don't care about the price hindsight. I really don't care about that. Whatever I see in life, I can just explain it after effect. I will just explain the same thing what I will expect around the price was over there. So that is what it is. And we'll learn to trade 30-second and later try the 5-second. It takes 5 seconds for me to move my finger. It's so long. No, brother, I just told you that when I saw this pure consolidation, if I were in 5-second chart, I would be able to take this entry, that entry. Trust me, exactly the same thing. Partial stopped out to the break even. Partial stopped out to the break even. Partial, I mean, it would hit my, maybe I would stop my something. Okay, I got stopped out over here. See, I got stopped out. That was my stop loss. So I got stopped out over there and until this area. So 8, 9, 10, 11 with the stop loss. I will set this one. Every single time taking partial, I will cover some more profit maybe, or I will be stopped out to the break even. Was that bad? 7 handle, 8 handle, 15 handle, 24 handle. Sorry, not 24 handle, little lower. 11 handle, 11 handle. Okay, 12 handle. So was that wrong? Was that bad? No, absolutely not. Can I frame a buy setup over there? No. Well, all I told you that wait for the liquidity taken first. If it can take the liquidity, go for that setup. Can I look for a sell now? No, you can't. It has to take the buy side liquidity first. Then you can look for the sell setup. It's a 5-second chart, a very small movement, very small range. 5 handle, 6 handle, 7 handle range. Just two contract, use two contract for 5 handle, $200. 10 handle, $400. Just for two contract. Simple. I should deserve a like, man. I will study your 30 seconds executions because I'm interested to capture 5 to 10 handles. And if I'm able to make 50 handles per day like that, I'm happy. Oh man, don't try that on. I didn't say anything about the 30 seconds at all. I told is it was fun. I was able to look if it is not consolidating around that area. I'm able to look one setup in every 15 minutes. That's all. Okay. So you're taking an entry one every market structure shift. Absolutely. This 5 minute chart. All you need to do is first you have to mark some liquidity. Here you'll mark this buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, right? Market taken the sell side liquidity. That doesn't mean just you were good to go for the setup. Just be sure first. Is it really would love to go for that buy side liquidity or not? How does the buy side liquidity look like? Over here, it's look like the strongest buy side liquidity. So yeah, market should go for that. Either way, it is going for that buy side liquidity. Should be taken that buy side liquidity. If it doesn't take that buy side liquidity, I'll be able to take a lot of moves. How do I know that it's gonna happen? For that, first you have to be understand that consolidation. You have to understand that market is going to be consolidated. How do you know that market is going to be consolidated? From 15-minute chart. Go to your 15-minute chart, look for the consolidation sign. You know how to find out the consolidation sign from 15-minute chart, right? If you find it, come back to 5. I'm not telling anything like that. This is how I'm getting fun every day. Even in the consolidation mode, I'm able to frame the trade from the second chart. If I find out that market is going to be consolidated, I have to stay in 30-second chart at least. I'll be able to find a lot of sales. That's all. But over there, you can't just go for the huge liquidity. All you have to do is take the partial. Whenever you will get the chance, take the partial, take the partial, take the partial, put the stop loss to the break even, take the partial, put the stop loss to the break even, or maybe just make sure one or two handle stop loss. That's all. Right now over here, do you have anything to do now? Absolutely, you have nothing to do. This is the sell side liquidity. Look, this is the sell side liquidity. This is the buy side liquidity. Did market take anything? Sell side liquidity or buy side? No. Can you frame a trade over here? No. Every other way, market take the sell side liquidity, went higher. Take the sell side liquidity, went higher. Take the sell side liquidity, went higher. Again, take the sell side liquidity, went higher. Now, what did it do? Did it take the sell side liquidity? No. Went higher. Are you going to frame the trade? No. Are you going to frame a sell setup? No. Did it take any buy side liquidity? No. No buy setup, no sell setup. So first you have to understand that market is going to be consolidated. If you get that confirmation, come back to the fun. So that's all for today, guys. And thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. The last guy who actually subscribed, 65632. Thank you, brother, for subscribing. I'm struggling with this. So until the next day, cheers, guys. And yeah, I'm not going to disturb you in Twitter today, okay? So I will maybe just put last tweet at the end of the session. Good night trade tweet, and then that's all for today. So until the next